Hey guys, my name is Zorola Abdullahi Bolaji, a crypto and forex market trader. So here's a quick one before you actually venture into this class of how to trade crypto or trade forex trading for you to make money for yourself. So there are something I need for you to understand, because forex or crypto, as the case may be, is not for everyone, and this is why you need to know. So number one, why forex is not for everybody? You need to know this because it is going to be of great benefit to you. So forex is not for everybody because forex trading offer real income potential. Yes, I actually understand and you already know that, but most people approach it in the wrong way. People approach forex market in the wrong way. So the reality is that you have to face loss. So you are going to face emotional pressure. So you are going to face long learning curve. It's not something you are going to start learning today and start making money today. So it takes time. So many people killed after blowing many accounts because of either poor risk management or lack of discipline. I've blown a lot of accounts in the past. If I'm telling you I don't lose, I make money every time, I'm lying to you. So you lose, you make money. That's how the forex market works. There is no shortcut, no guarantee system. So all these things are important to watch, to put deep into your mind. So having said that, forex is not a shortcut income. So it's not something you just come in today and start making money tomorrow. It takes time. So most traders lose money because they are trying to take quick profit. They want to 100 triple 100 multiply their money in fold. So poor risk control the scroll account fast. So losses are part of the process. You must have heard a lot of people talking about this one. So discipline is what separates traders who are making money from those who are gamblers, those who just want to come into the market and start making money for themselves. You need to do that. So you need a tested plan, a strict execution process. You need to treat this one like a business from the first day you are going to venture into this business. You need to treat it as a business. Treat it the way you are treating your other kind of business. So that's very important. Then another one is just that forex reward patience. So you know, some people have been here for years, some have been here for months, some have been here for weeks. So you don't just come into it and start making money. So forex reward patience, not urgency. So beginner, when you are coming on, the focus on profit. Many of you are going to ask you, if I start with $50, how much am I going to be making in a month? There is nothing assurance of that. So you don't need to ignore the risk aspect of it. So over trading and emotional pressure can lead to losses. So there is no system that win all trades. So you need to put that at the back of your mind. So consider come from rules and control. You need to have your stipulated rules which you must be followed every time, and you must have your self-control. So you must manage your risk before chasing return or before chasing profit. So it is a slow and deliberate work. So all these are what you need to know before you decide to join us in the journey. And at the same time, forex trading is simple but not easy. Many fail because they ignore risk. Emotional override logic in most cases. That is, market is moving, want to leave me behind, let me rush in. So you rush in and start losing your money. So you are going to face a drawdown. A drawdown is a period of time whereby you are going to be losing. It's going to be a beef guy. I've been at my village people, they were following me. I mean, my strategy is not working, or am I doing something wrong, or there's something I'm going to change, or do I need to quit? So this is what we call a drawdown, uncertainty in the market. So only disciplined traders survive long term. So that's when your edge come from consistency. So if you have tested a particular system and it's working for you, trading strategy, you need to stick to it. So approach this with focus and patience. That's why I need to tell you all these things now, so that because when you get into it, so you don't be too emotional, don't be too strategic, I don't want to just play too grammar. Don't be too emotional. I repeat. Now, the market does not care about your emotion, does not care about your expectation. I expect market to go like this, like all these charts we are seeing on social media. So if this thing take this, I expect market doesn't care. Market can move anyhow it likes. So quick money thinking lead to quick losses. So if you are thinking of money quick, if I trade, I make $10 in a day, $5 in a day, in a month it's going to be $200, in a month it's going to be $300. So it's going to lead to quick losses. So most mistakes come from lack of discipline. So discipline is very, very important. You need to learn how to sit on your hand, because this is your hand that you're going to be using to press buy and sell in the market. So a few bad trade can wipe week of effort. You need to know that one. So if you just take a few bad trade, you can take out all what you have been making in the market so far. So you need structure, not signal. You need structure, not signal. So you need patience, not pressure. So serious trader build habit, not hope. So all these are what you need to put at the back of your mind for you to know, or for you to ready to join us on this Forex market training. Once again, I am Dorola Bolaji. I'm a crypto and Forex trader market. So I don't promise you Lamborghini. I don't promise you that if you learn this thing and apply, your life is going to change overnight. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes discipline, it takes patience, and most importantly, it takes risk management. Now that you're ready to follow me, so you are welcome, and let's training begin. Once again, you are welcome.